Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recharge your Tuya smart video doorbell. Here this is a J1 battery powered smart video doorbell, and here you can find a rubber, and you can after open the rubber you can find a micro USB port, and here you find a standard micro USB cable. So, and plug it in here. The USB port to the to the cell phone charger. Here I use the power bank. So here it's powered. You can see the red light is on. Meanwhile, I think, if you do not want to use a battery, you can also use the USB cable to connect the phone charge for 24 hours operation. Right? So that's it.